Imagine landing a six-figure AI job without a college degree. Sounds impossible? Not anymore. Today I'll walk you through 10 high-paying AI roles you can start without a degree. Roles you can enter with a portfolio, the right projects, and smart networking. By the end, you'll know which job lets you start this week, which one scales into consulting, and which role companies pay big for despite not requiring a diploma. Curious which one often pays above $120,000 right now? Stay till number 3. It might be the surprise winner. Key market note. Many companies are prioritizing skills and demonstrable work over degrees. A trend covered by industry reporting and job guides. Forbes Talent 1. Prompt engineer/prompt designer. What it is. A prompt engineer crafts the exact inputs that get the best outputs from large language models, fine-tunes prompt chains, and builds robust prompt templates for product teams. You'll design prompts, test edge cases, and optimize for reliability. Why it pays. Prompt engineering sits at the intersection of product, UX, and machine intelligence. Companies pay top dollar for people who can make models behave consistently. Recent salary aggregates show prompt roles averaging in the low to mid six figures at many US companies. Glassdoor Coursera. How to break in without a degree. Build a public prompt portfolio. GitHub, Gist, Notion, or a small site, showing before, after results and A/B comparisons. Publish short case studies. How I reduced hallucinations, or how I improved accuracy on a niche data set. Freelance on marketplaces, Upwork/Fiverr, and collect testimonials. Quick action plan, 3 steps. 1. Pick 2 niches, e.g., e-commerce copy and legal summarization, and craft 10 prompt iterations each. 2nd. Post before, after demos on Twitter, LinkedIn, and tag model tool vendors. 3. Apply to prompt roles and pitch your portfolio in the first sentence. 2. AI solutions/sales engineer. What it is. A solutions or sales engineer for AI products bridges product and customer. You demo models, design proofs of concept, and translate business needs into technical deliverables. Why it pays. These roles directly drive revenue, pre-sales plus enterprise deals, and therefore command high compensation packages, base plus commission. Glassdoor salary trends for AI solutions/sales engineers show median total pay well into 6 figures at many AI startups. Glassdoor +1. How to break in. Learn the product and build reproducible demos. Use free tiers, OpenAI Hugging Face Spaces, or vendor sandboxes. Get strong at storytelling. Explain ROI and create short decks with live demos. Sell results. Cold outreach offering free 30-minute demos to target companies. Quick action plan. 1. Build 3 one-minute demo videos showing measurable ROI, e.g., reduces call handle time by X%. 2. Upload demos to LinkedIn, plus reach out to 20 relevant buyers with a quick demo offer. 3. Gather customer feedback, iterate, and add testimonials. 3. No-code, low-code AI app. Builder what it is. Instead of writing heavy ML code, a no-code AI builder uses tools like Bubble, Make, Zapier, Hugging Face Spaces, and managed LLM APIs to assemble products, chatbots, automation flows, and niche apps. Why it pays. Companies want working products fast. Builders who can engineer full solutions without deep CS backgrounds can charge consult fees or get salaried roles. Mid-level pay often sits between $70,000 to $100,000 and can exceed that with specialization. Industry write-ups show mid-level no-code developer salaries in these ranges, and multiple reports list no-code AI app builders among high-paying, no-degree roles. Medium Forbes. How to break in. Pick a vertical, real estate, HR, e-commerce, and ship a one-click tool that solves a measurable pain. Offer a productized service, AI chatbot setup, $X. Partner with agencies or local businesses to earn recurring revenue. Quick action plan. 1. Build one productized AI tool for a specific vertical and price it. 2. Post a case study showing results, time saved, conversions. 3rd, cold email 50 prospects with a short demo link. 4. AI content writer, prompt copywriter, creator. What it is. These creators write high-quality prompts, produce AI-assisted content, and craft content strategies that amplify reach using LLMs. Why it pays. Brands value content that converts. Skilled AI content creators can work as freelancers, in agencies, or as in-house strategists. And top performers earn 6 figures through retainers and productized services. Forbes highlights content and no-code roles as pathways to $100,000 plus without a degree. Forbes How to Break In. Build a niche content portfolio, 10 to 20 assets showing conversion lift. Offer a free pilot to one company and document results. Sell services as AI content plus human editing for higher margins. Quick action plan. 1. Create 5 high-impact case studies showing exact metrics. 2nd, package a monthly retainer offering. 3rd, pitch local businesses and agencies. 5. AI trainer, data specialist, annotation and dataset design. What it is. AI trainers design annotation guidelines, curate datasets, and train models. Human in the loop. As projects scale, you can run teams or specialize. Medical images, autonomous vehicle labels. Why it pays. While simple annotation gigs are low paid, senior data leads and specialized annotators, medical, finance, legal, command strong salaries. Research shows entry roles around mid-5 figures and experienced specialists or leads can exceed 6 figures. Research.com, Label Visor How to Break In. Start with platform gigs, Figure 8, Scale AI, Label Box projects, to learn annotation tools. Specialize in a domain and build a small portfolio of annotated projects. Move into QA lead roles or start a boutique labeling service. Quick action plan. 1. Complete 3 paid annotation projects and save annotated samples sanitized. 2. Learn annotation platforms and write a sample guideline doc. 3. Apply for lead QA roles or pitch a labeling service. 6. AI QA, Model Validator, Red Teamer. What it is. QA for AI is testing the model for bias, safety, hallucinations, and robustness. Red teamers intentionally probe models to find failure modes. Why it pays. Safety and regulatory compliance are critical. Companies pay well for people who can make models safe at scale. This role blends testing, security thinking, and policy sensitivity. How to break in. Learn common failure modes, adversarial prompting, and basic evaluation metrics. Publish short reports showing discovered failure cases for open models. Look for contract gigs or join safety teams at startups. Quick action plan. 1. Run vulnerability tests on an open model and publish a findings doc. 2. Offer a safety audit to small AI vendors. 3. Network with AI ethics and safety groups for referrals. 7. AI customer success, adoption specialist. What it is. Customer success specialists help clients adopt AI tools, craft onboarding flows, and measure ROI. Why it pays. Adoption reduces churn and increases upsells. Revenue outcomes that companies reward. Many CSM roles emphasize domain knowledge and product expertise over degrees. How to break in. Master a popular AI tool and build onboarding templates. Offer 2-week pilots to small businesses showing measurable improvements. Convert pilots into retainer support packages. Quick action plan. 1. Build a 7-day onboarding checklist for a chosen AI product. 2. Run a free pilot and document KPIs. 3. Convert pilot to monthly support. 8. Cloud Deployment Specialist for AI, MLOps Lite. What it is. This role focuses on deploying and integrating AI models into production using cloud-managed services, e.g., AWS Bedrock, Azure OpenAI. You don't need a PhD. Basic familiarity with containers, APIs, and cloud UIs goes a long way. Why it pays. Production deployments unlock product value. Engineers who reliably ship scalable, cost-efficient AI systems are in strong demand and can command high salaries or consulting rates. ZipRecruiter TS2. Space how to break in. Learn a managed AI service. Deploy a demo app, chatbot QAI agent, to a cloud provider. Master API keys, scaling, and cost controls. Offer deployment packages to small and medium businesses. Quick action plan. 1. Deploy a simple LLM app on a cloud-free tier and record the process. 2. Create a deploy and scale checklist to sell as a service. Third approach, dev agencies or startups. 9. AI augmented data analyst/BI specialist. What it is. Analysts who combine traditional BI with AI tools to automate insights, write narrative summaries, and produce decision-ready reports. Why it pays. Organizations want insights faster. Analysts who ship both dashboards and AI-written narratives are more valuable and often command promotions and higher pay without formal degrees. How to break in. Learn SQL, a BI tool, Looker, Tableau, Power BI, and how to integrate an LLM for natural language summaries. Build dashboards that include an AI summary section. Sell deliverables or apply for analytics roles with your portfolio. Quick action plan. 1. Build 2 dashboards with AI summaries and publish a walkthrough. 2nd. List measurable business outcomes. Time saved, faster decisions. 3. Reach out to companies with a sample insight report. 10. Freelance AI consultant yet productize services. What it is. A solo consultant who advises companies on AI use cases, builds pilots, and sells productized deployments or training programs. Why it pays. Consultants can package knowledge, playbooks, pilots, and charge retainers or high project fees. Many consultants started without degrees. They sold results, not transcripts. Forbes and industry reports list AI consulting as a clear pathway to $100,000, plus with experience and a track record. Forbes +1. How to break in. Pick a niche problem you can solve with AI. Customer support automation, lead scoring. Build a repeatable pilot package with a clear ROI metric. Offer short paid pilots and scale to retainer contracts. Quick action plan. 1. Create a one-page pilot to ROI offer and price it. 2nd, run one paid pilot. Gather metrics, convert to retainer. 3. Ask for referrals and case studies. That's your roadmap. 10 realistic, high-paying AI roles you can start without a degree. Which one should you try first? If you want my pick for the fastest path to paid work this month, start with prompt engineering plus a public portfolio, then package what you learn into a productized service. Hit the comments. Which role are you trying? I'll reply with a tailored next step for the first 10 people who comment. If you found this useful, like, subscribe, and I'll drop a free downloadable checklist in the description that summarizes every one of those quick action plans.